Hello boys and girls, welcome to the Math Club. In this video, we're going to talk about similar triangles and how to answer questions about similar triangles. Question 5. A. Show that triangles MNP and PQR are similar. Now let's take a look at these two triangles, QPR and MNP. These are two triangles on top of each other and they are between two parallel lines. Now, we're going to use the two parallel lines rules to find the angles of each triangles. Now, we don't have to find the exact angle, but we can say which angles are the same. Now, if we reach the reason AAA, in which all three angles are the same, then we can say that these triangles are similar. Now, let's check if we can reach that, okay? So, let's use a blue one. So, this is the angle here, which is MPN. Now I'll do it with a blue color, yes, so you can see it. Now this one is the same as this one. And what's the reason? Very good, because they're opposite. So opposite angles are equal. Now we found one of the A's. We can check. Now we will find another one. Let's check this angle here. Yes. Now, this angle here makes the letter Z with this angle here. So, they are similar, or the same. So, this angle and this angle are the same because they are, very good, alternate angles. So, now we have another reason, which is another A. Good. Now, let's move on to this one. I can see the letter Z between these two angles too. So, they are the same. So we can say they are the same, this and this. So all three angles are the same. So we checked the letters, we checked the angles, and we checked the reason AAA. And because we reached the reason AAA, it means these two triangles are similar. And the idea of similarity is what? Having the same angles between these two shapes. The same three angles between these two triangles. Now, after finding out that these two triangles are similar, now we can use the similar triangle rules to answer question B. Question B. Find the missing length, which is A. Now we need to find A, which is here. Now to find the length of a line on two similar triangles, there are steps to follow. The first step is finding the scale factor of enlargement. Now, to find the scale factor of enlargement, as we said before, we divide two corresponding sides on each other. And two corresponding sides means what? It means they are the same sides on different triangles. Now, I can see this side here and this side here. We can use as corresponding sides. Now, let me answer it here. So we're going to divide 3 on 2 to get the scale factor. So we write 3 divide 2 equals 1.5. And this is the scale factor of enlargement here. We're going to use it to find the other side. Now, after finding the scale factor of enlargement, now we can see that A is bigger than 4. And why is that? Because it's obvious that this one is the large triangle because the 3 is bigger than 2. So basically, this means that A is bigger than 4. And because I'm trying to find the big side, I take the small side and multiply it by the scale factor. Now, I will multiply 4 by 1.5. Let's do it here. 4 multiplied by 1.5. Now, the answer is what? Very good. The answer is 6. You can use the calculator to answer these questions. Now, A is 6. Let's put it there. Here, 6. Now, again, with the steps, the first step to do is what? The first step is finding the scale factor of enlargement. And how do we do this? By dividing two corresponding sides on each other. As we did here, we divided 3 and 2. we got 1.5 as the scale factor of enlargement. And then we used the scale factor, we multiplied it by this side here, because this is the small side. If we want to find the big side, we multiply the small side by the scale factor. If we want to find the small side, we will divide the big side on the scale factor. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.